Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia on PS4. Unfortunately, Phasmophobia is not available on the PlayStation 4 console. The game was released for current generation consoles, specifically the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S, in late October of 2024. This means PS4 players cannot directly access the game. The developers have confirmed there are no current plans to bring the game to the PlayStation 4, focusing instead on newer hardware capabilities. Currently, Phasmophobia is widely enjoyed on PC through Steam Early Access, offering both standard and virtual reality gameplay. For console players, the game made its debut on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S. This allows a broad range of players to experience the intense ghost hunting action, whether on a computer or a newer console. The developers, Kinetic Games, made a strategic decision to focus their console release on the newer PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S. This choice allows them to optimize the game for more powerful hardware, providing a better experience. Porting to older consoles like the PlayStation 4 would require significant additional development resources, which the small team has opted not to pursue. If you're eager to play Phasmophobia, your best options are a Windows PC or a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X or S console. The game offers crossplay, so you can team up with friends across different platforms. While a PlayStation 4 release is not expected, these current platforms provide the full, immersive ghost hunting experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.